Hi, this is Mani Chopra at the Caversham project. I'm going to give you a quick preview of what's been going on in the last few weeks. So here we are, and from previous videos you may have seen that this is right next to the HMO that we've been owning for the last 8 years. Here, the issue was with the driveway. So according to the plans, you have one car parking space in this new house here, but I mean two, but in tandem. So effectively you have about 3 meters of car parking space here. But the issue we had, if you look at that virgin box, the green box over there, that was the issue, that we couldn't actually move that box. It was about £10,000 just to move that box. It's an electric grid. So it was very expensive. So what we had to now do is maneuver the space ever so slightly. And finally the plan is that we're going to have half of this driveway for this house and half there. And this house will have a bit of a change of plan in terms of the garden. So you'll have a car parking space right in front there, and then the rest of this will become garden space. So we're going to do a brand new garden for the house next door as well. So as you come in, you'll have these two spaces that in tandem for this house. And let's go and have a look and see what's going on inside. Here, we're in the kitchen living room space. So if you come in closer, you can see that currently all the windows are being installed. So that's good progress has been made. And on the floor, if you see, there is the underfloor heating going on. So this is where you have these water pipes going through and doing the underfloor heating. And then after this is going to be screeded. And after the screeding, we're going to put LVT, which is a luxury vinyl tiles. That's going to be all over the ground floor, and then the upper floors is going to have carpeted. So stairs onwards will be luxury carpets, and the rest of it is going to be underfloor heating. So this is where we are. Here is going to be the kitchen. We're going to go in with sort of a classic kitchen. And here is going to be sort of the dining room area. And then here, let's go and have a look at the rest of the house. We've also had, so if you look up here, we've done all the electrics as well. So in terms of the utilities, we've had first fix electrics almost completed, and the first fix plumbing as well has all been done. So the next step is screeding, flooring, and then obviously the kitchens and bathrooms. The bathrooms are going to be tiled first, and then the kitchens will go in a bit later. We've got the kitchen fitter to come in and measure out the kitchen next week, and then order the kitchen and get that kitchen ready in anticipation for, let's say, 3 or 4 weeks time when we have the kitchen ready. The plan is by the end of May, this project should be ready to be marketed on the open market. Let's have a quick whiz around to see what else has been going on ground floor. So let's just quickly tour around this property here. Quickly. So what's going to happen here is you're going to have the air source heat pump here. So because this is a timber construction and an eco build, you're going to have an air source heat pump here, and hopefully space for a washing machine dryer as well. So you're going to use this space under the stairs economically. And coming further into this place here, you can see that that's going to be the office room. This is going to be the office space effectively, or basically a reception room. So that's reception room 2. This is where you have the toilet, basic structure for the toilet already done. And just further, we're going to show you the reception, the living room. This is the living room. But yeah, you can see all over, you've got all the electrics done, the water connections already, you've got the push fit systems that we're using in all our developments for the water systems. That's all been done. And we'll keep you posted on more videos. So do like, subscribe and follow us for regular property content, and look at our website teamtitans.co.uk for our next event on Thursday the 9th of May. Thank you.